echo far and wide. Make them hear you. Make them hear you. How justice was our battle, and how justice was denied. Make them hear you. Make them hear you. And say to those who blame us for the way we chose to fight, that sometimes there are battles which are more than black or white. And I could not put down my sword when justice was my right. Make them hear you. Make them hear you. Go out and tell our story to your daughters and your sons. Make them hear you. Make them hear you. And tell them in our struggle we were not the only ones. Make them hear you. Make them hear you. Your sword can be a sermon or the power of the pen. Teach every child to raise his voice, and then, my brothers, then will justice be demanded by 10 million righteous men. Make them hear you. When they hear you, I'll be near you
So, hello again to Musical Mondays. So, you are a very tall person, and I'm feeling like a midget at the moment. Yes. So, this was a very serious number. I think it was the stiffest, and how can I say, like the most quiet the room in the studio has ever been, ever since we started shooting Musical Mondays. Now, this song comes from the musical Ragtime.
Yes.
And what does this song mean exactly, for those who haven't seen the musical yet?
The musical Ragtime is basically about three groups of immigrants in the US.
Okay.
Around the time of the swinging 20s, like when jazz was really at its peak.
My era. I wish.
And basically there are three groups of immigrants: African Americans, Eastern Europeans like Jews, and then white Americans. And
So it's basically a musical about the struggles
outsider,
of immigrants,
yes.
and feeling on the outside.
Exactly.
So this number, what does it mean exactly? The Make Them Hear You.
This number was sung by one of the main characters called Coalhouse Jr. He's one of the main protagonists of, he's an African American character.
Okay.
And it's all about, he's telling his brothers and sisters, his brethren, to let their story be known, to let their voices be heard about their struggles.
Basically putting their mark on history at the same time. So
Exactly.
This is actually a very empowering song. So
It really is.
I hope you enjoyed performing it here for us.
I
You were
did a lot.
excellent. Of course, you've got such a nice tone to your voice.
Thank you.
It just gave me goosebumps at one point. Now, Matt, of course, the way we saw you perform today was quite serious. Are you normally this serious?
No,
In like your normal everyday
No,
life?
God forbid.
God forbid.
No. I mean, I love comedy. It's like one of the ways
You've actually performed in comedy?
I've done a couple of pantomimes here and there.
Okay, so give me a nice funny face on screen. Let's see if you're actually good at this. I want to, okay, we got this. If you like his funny face, obviously let us know in the comments below. If you think he needs some more direction, well, we can see what Kettle Club can do, and maybe we can come up with, I don't know, a comedic season.
Yes.
Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, guys. All right, so Matt, thank you so much for being here with us
Thank
today.
you.
I am going to leave and let you do the outro.
If you want to subscribe, most importantly, click the big red button right down here. If you really want to keep updated with the latest episodes, you know, the notification bell. Click here, here. If you want to see more episodes from Musical Mondays, click here.
If you want to visit the Kettle Club and find out more about our amazingly fun community, you know you want to. Click here